there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm here with my daughter,
Mimi B Dolls.
and she's helping me today because I'm making this really cute braided ring with a bead, and I couldn't do it with two hands, so I borrowed her hands. So to start, I have a 12-inch piece of 20 gauge wire, and I'm just going to go into the middle here and just bend it back a bit, and then what you need is a little bit of loop, and the loop has to be big enough to fit the wire through again, so it doesn't really have to be that big. So we're going to just go like that, and then bend this, rather than wrap it around, we're just going to bend this back so it looks like that. And then what we're going to do is add a third piece, because you need 3 pieces to braid, and we're just going to attach this. This one can be shorter than the other ones because it's just one strand. And then what you want to do is actually just wind it around like that once, and then clip it quite close like that, and then pinch it in place. So Mimi's going to help me braid. I'm going to hold it with the pliers, and she's going to do a braid to make the ring. And this seems to work well with the 20 gauge wire. You could also try it with 22 gauge if you want the wire to be a little bit thinner, but this works quite well. And actually I tried to braid it this morning and I had completely forgot how to braid, so Mimi's here. Say hello.
Hi.
So she's braiding the wire for me, and I'm learning as we go. So you just want to keep going until it's about the right length for your finger. So you might at some point have to take it off to try it on the ring things. So let's give it a try now. Okay, we'll stop it.
Okay.
And then we're going to get our ring form and just wind it around there. This actually might be a little bit, because you can try it on your finger too. So this is going to be a little bit big. So all we'd have to do is just pull it back a bit if it's too big. And then what you want to do is you want to finish off some of the ends. So what I did for this was I just decided which end I wanted to use to put the bead on. And so at that point you'll just take this end. Let's do this one here. And you want to bend it up at a right angle, okay, one of the ends, and then you're going to twist these other ends around just to finish them off. So you're going to take one end and twist it around and clip it, and then the other end and twist it around, okay, and clip it. So we're good for that end. So you see we have it like that. And then what I do for the bead is just bend that up at a right angle like that, and then just at about an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch, depending on the size of your bead, you're going to bend it straight across like that, and you're going to get your bead. I'm using a 6mm bead for this one, so we're going to put the 6mm bead in there and then bend this like straight down. And this doesn't have to be super long, so you can actually clip it, say at about an inch, okay? And then what you want to do is put it back through this little first loop. So the first loop you're going to bend like that, and then take this wire and put it down through there. Okay, I'll just get it down through there. And then get your flat pliers to grab it and pull it right down. Okay, so it's nice and centered in there. And then we're going to twist it around. So I'm just going to adjust this a bit. Okay, and we're going to take this wire and twist it around. Just say 1 or 2 times, not much. You don't want too much wire twisted around. And then you're going to clip the end, and at that point you could pinch the ends in with the pliers if you like, and just fit it onto the ring form, and there you have your cool little braided ring. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry videos. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. Be sure to check out Mimi all over social media. Where can we find you, Mimi?
YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter.
Awesome, at Mimi B Dolls. I'll put all her links below. And if you're not already a member of my Facebook group, I have a wonderful group called the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where people share photos of their work and ask questions and get inspired by others. So we'll see you the next time. Bye!